See, Christine, I'll take your point from there, the security scenario on ground, particularly if you remember, as I'm reporting from Ganderbal district of Central Kashmir, where a BJP leader was recently targeted and the J&K police was able to crack the case. In fact, I'm joined by SSP Ganderbal, Khalil Poswal, about the security scenario as far as the DDC elections are concerned. Thank you so much for talking to Republic, sir. So how is the situation in the area as far as the DDC polls are concerned?
At this time, absolute grid has been maintained to ensure secure environment for the voters, and everywhere you will find voters are coming, and good participation notice, especially youth is coming to cast vote, and that is a new feature. During 3-4 elections, I was here last 4 elections, so I could find elder people used to come, and this time youth is coming. Besides protection of voters, candidates, their campaigning, every aspect was taken care of, and now all the entry points in the districts have been plugged, mid-ridges have been dominated, routes have been, ROPs are there, besides reaction teams are there. I'm quite confident it will go off peacefully.
So what's the percentage till 9?
Because of cold weather, early morning it remains less. It is around 4%. And in we have urban local body election also, and it's around 7%. But after 10:30, it will increase around. I expect around 20% till that time.
Thank you so much. So that yes, Christian, that was SSP Ganderbal Khalil Poswal who said that till 9 a.m. it's the Ganderbal, the Central Kashmir has it has touched percentage of 4, but the voters will turn up more in number because it's quite winter in Kashmir has already sent in. There is chill in the air, but at the same time, what he was mentioning was that not only the old age people, the senior citizens are taking part, but this time the youngsters are more into the festival of democracy. Although if we talk about the first 2 phases, they have been peaceful, and now again some 9 districts of Kashmir are under polls except the Srinagar constituency. The Srinagar constituency is done, but as of now, brisk voting is also takes place in Shopian and also Baramulla, and also no untoward incident has reported so far.